Hey guys, it's Miss Targonsky. Welcome back. We are going to read the book Where together, and we are pretty much experts at this book at this point, right? We really looked closely at the pictures, at the words, and we have been practicing using our character voices to sound like the character's feeling, right? So we know that Little Brown Bear is feeling very sad and scared, so we used our voices to also sound sad and scared while we're reading. And today we're going to practice that a little bit more. We're going to go page by page, and I want you to read it first, and then I'm going to read it. But I'm going to read the first page for you guys, okay? So let's get started. All right. Where? Where? Asked the little brown bear. I want you to try. I want you to go. Where is my mother? Check the picture. Totally makes sense. Your turn. Where is my father? Father. Where is my house? House. Your turn. Where is my bed? Your turn. This is a tricky one. I'm going to look at the picture again because this part's a little tricky. I'm going to get my mouth ready. Pot of, that's a sight word. That's a pot of honey. It's a bear. Bear is like honey, right? So let's read this one together. Where is my pot of honey? Ooh, remember this? Try it. Good, ready? Where am I? Now he's with Mr. Fox. Try to remember it. Match your voice to the character. He's looking pretty sad, so we need to sound sad. I am lost. Can you help me? Good job, guys. Not bad. So that is a whole nother book now that we have in our tool belt, a book that we have the powers now to read all together. I'm very, very proud of you guys. Good job.